Hey guys, Mark from Lister Motorsports in Troutman, North Carolina. This is my 1990 Bluebird Wanderlodge SP36. I'm starting to lose my voice a little bit, so I'll do the best I can here. Got your side entry door, which we absolutely love. Italian marble tile floors. I changed out this table because it's narrower than the original. I still have the original. It weighs about 200 pounds. It comes with the bus. I would say whoever buys this bus should take the carpeting out and reupholster the green, get rid of all the 90s on here. That was my intention when I bought it. We just never got around to doing it, and starting to show some signs of wear and damage and like that over the years. The wood is incredible on this bus. I'll walk through the whole thing and show you guys. All the dashboard lights light up. I've got a picture in the pitch dark of every single light on, so I'll add that as well. Got two flat screen TVs with remotes. Let's see. Original Bluebird swivel chair, jackknife couch. I'd reupholster that as well. All the rest is factory Bluebird aside from that table. Got a plant hanging there on that piece of rope. And kitchen, original microwave, original refrigerator. It's a microwave convection actually. It still works very, very well. More wood down here. This bus runs great. Look at my other video. I did a walk around with the generator running and everything. And the floors continue. Got your sliding doors for your closet. Got your shower. That TV's on, that's what I hear talking. Queen size sleep number bed. More wood. This may not come out very well, it's dark out. I'm sure I'll have to redo it again. Full screen curtains. Set of drawers there on that side. Cubbies on this side. Very solid. This wood is incredible. It's really well done. And you've got two pocket doors in the bathroom as well, so you have full privacy. Close this off this way. There. And then the same on the other side. So you can make it into a fully private situation. Original wallpaper back here too. That was something else I was going to address. Any questions? Give me a call, 704-508-2150. Thanks for looking. Over and out.